Hello everyone, my name is Suhasan. My topic is stack operations. Now, what are the contents? What is stack? Operations on stack, push operations, pop operations, overflow, underflow, and application of stack. What is stack? A stack is a linear data structure in which the insertion of new element and removal of an existing element takes place at the same end, representing as the top of stack. LIFO, lost in first out. This strategy states that the element that is inserted last will come out first. You can take a pile of plates, keep on top of each other as a real life example. A plate which put last in on top, and since we remove the plate that is at the top. The following are some common operations implemented on the stack. Push, pull, is empty, is full, pick, and display. Push operations. The push operation in a stack involves adding an element to the top of the stack. Check if the stack is full. Before pushing an element onto the stack, it's important to check if the stack has reached its maximum capacity. If the stack is implemented using a fixed size array, pushing an element when the stack is full would result in a stack overflow. This check ensures that the stack doesn't exceed its predefined size. Increment the top print. The top of the stack is a pointer or index that keeps track of the current position in the stack. When pushing an element, the top pointer is incremented to the move to the next available position. Add the element to the top. Once the top pointer has been adjusted, the new element is placed at the location indicated by the updated top pointer. Now we can see the syntax. Void push in stack, top value maximum size, top max size, printf, else top value, printf push onto the stack value. Pop operations. The pop operation in a stack involves removing the element from the top of the stack. Check if the stack is empty. Before attempting to the top an element from the stack, it's important to check if the stack is empty. If the stack is empty and the pop operation is attempted, it will result in an error known as stack underflow. This check ensures that there is an element to pop from the stack. Retrieve the element at the top. If the stack is not empty, the element at the top of the stack is retrieved. This is the element that will be removed. Decrement the top pointer. After retrieving the element, the top pointer is discriminated to indicate that top of the stack has been removed down. Here is the syntax. Int pop, if pop, scanf, return -1, else int pop value stack, pop, printf, and return popped value. Overflow and underflow. Overflow definition. Overflow occurs when an attempt is made to push an element onto a stack that is already at the maximum capacity. Consequence. If overflow is not handled properly, it can lead to a data corruption or program crashes. And underflow definition is underflow occurs when an attempt is made to top an element from an empty stack. Consequences similar to overflow. If underflow is not handled properly, It can lead to error or unexpected behavior in a program. It's crucial to check for underflow before attempting to pop an element from the stack. Display operations. The display operation is a stack involves showing or printing the elements of stack without modifying its contents. The operation is useful for debugging, testing, or simple observing the current state of the stack. Check if the stack is empty. Before attempting to display the elements of the stack, it's good practice to check if the stack is empty. If the stack is empty, there may be nothing to display, and attempting to display an element stack might be lead to confuse or unnecessary output. Illiterate to the elements. If the stack is not empty, illiterate to the element of the stack, starting from the top and moving towards the bottom. If it is implemented as an array, display each element in the order it was added to the stack. Print or show the elements. Print or otherwise show elements of the stack. These can be done in the loop recurse. Here the syntax void display stack printf else printf etc. Is empty operation definition. This is empty operation checks if a stack has no elements, meaning it is empty. Use case. The operation is typically used before attempting to perform a pop operation. If the stack is empty and a pop operation is attempted, it could result in an error called stack underflow. So you can see the syntax here. Is full operation definition. This full operation checks if the stack has reached its maximum capacity, meaning it is full. Use case. The operation commonly used before attempting to perform a push operation. If the stack is full and push operation is attempted, it could result in an error called stack overflow. We can see the syntax. And peak operation definition. Peak operation, also known as the top operation, retrieved element at the top of the stack without removing it. We get this in the syntax in peak top return stack. Handle empty case return an appropriate applications of stack. Infix to post prefix or prefix conversation. Redo undo features at the many places like editors, Photoshop. Forward and backward features in the web browsers. Used in many algorithms like Tower or tree travelers, stock span problems, and histogram problems. Backtracking is one of the algorithm techniques. Some examples of backtracking are the tour problems, Enquin problems. Find your way through a maze and game like cheese or checkers. In all these problems, we dive into some. If a way is not efficient, we come back to previous state and go into some another path. To get back from the current state, we need to store the previous state from the purpose we need in a stack. In graph algorithm like topology, sorting and strongly connected components.